Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made this potato dish. Please watch to the very end and like this video so others can see it. To begin with, I start prepping my protein. I'm using chicken, drumsticks and laps. You can use any part of the chicken that is available to you. You can also use chicken breast, and I added salt, bouillon cube, ginger and garlic. I also added some habanero pepper, and that's my mixed spice there. Some spring onions. You can also use normal onions. You can also use red onions or white onions, anyone that is available to you. I mix it up properly, cover it up and allow it to cook. So because of the chicken parts I'm using, I'm going to remove the flesh and debone the chicken. So I'm done doing that. Set it aside and go ahead and prep my sweet potatoes. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Chef MMN, and on this channel I teach on how to make delicious meals, Nigerian food, pastries, snacks and lots more kitchen related content. I also drop videos on how to make intercontinental dishes. So please do well to subscribe to my channel if you find this content interesting, and also recreate this recipe and drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. So after cutting my potatoes, I go ahead and cut it into desired shapes and give it a proper rinse. It's very important to wash it properly so that you will not have sand in your food. So I'm done washing. I go ahead and add salt, mix it up properly and go ahead and fry. I preheated my oil before adding the potatoes. So the potato is done frying. I remove it from the oil and set it aside, guys. I go ahead and prep my eggs. I'll be using 15 eggs for this recipe. You can use any number of eggs of your choice depending on the quantity you are making. So I add some salt, bouillon cube, ginger and garlic. Mix it up properly. That's some black pepper flakes. You can also use habanero or any pepper of your choice. So I'm using black pepper. I set it aside, and this is my baking pan. I'm going to line it up with my parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you can grease it up with some vegetable oil or margarine. I go ahead and line with my potatoes, some fried potatoes. And I'm adding in my egg mixture. That's my chicken. You can also fry the chicken before adding. Just trying to reduce the oil. That's why I didn't fry my chicken. You can air fry it too before adding it here, or just use it like this. And I'm adding habanero pepper, red and green habanero peppers. You can also use Scotch bonnet pepper or whichever pepper is available to you. That's carrots, some bell peppers. Using green and red bell peppers. You can use any bell pepper available to you. Spring onions. And I have my cheddar cheese. You can also use mozzarella cheese, or you can use a combination of mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Okay, I use cheddar cheese because that was what was available when I was making this recipe. So it's ready. I'm going to bake this for 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Okay, depending on the oven you are using. It's done. Get a skewer and put it through. If it comes out clean, it means it's properly baked. And I'm flipping it over so that I can save properly and remove it from the baking pan. It's important to remove the parchment paper before serving, so that's what I'm doing. So I get a plate and flip it over, and yeah, my breakfast is ready. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. If you find this content interesting, please like this video, share my video, and thank you guys for watching today's video. And to all my amazing returning subscribers, I see you all. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.